Hello everyone, today is Thursday, October 10th. It's about 10 minutes to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. It's around 10 minutes to 2 my local time. I have another live trading video from Jim today, and this video is particularly unusual in that Jim traded all 4 of his funded accounts. So today it occurred to me that there's a number of amazing things going on here. First of all, how many people do you know that have qualified for 4 funded accounts? This is One Up Trader here, one of the places Jim has a funded account with. And if you don't know about funded accounts, it's basically where you trade an account in simulation, and if you can prove that you're profitable, then they will let you trade their money. And it's pretty hard because you have to have a minimum drawdown, and there's certain other rules to qualify, and you can go from a $25,000 account all the way up to a $250,000 account. But you're basically trading other people's money, but first you have to prove you can trade. Now, most traders find it difficult to qualify for even one account, and Jim has qualified for 4. In today's video, Jim traded all 4 accounts. So for the first time, we're going to see all 4 accounts traded in Jim's trading. And so not only is qualifying for funded accounts, 4 of them, an amazing feat, but trading in today's video 4 funded accounts and hitting profit goals on all 4 of them is just beyond words. I'm really at a loss for words. This is quite an accomplishment. And Jim, being the humble guy that he is, he's really not going to say much about it. He's really happy about it, but today's video is really something else, and it really speaks volumes about the auto trader, because Jim at the same time acknowledges that the auto trader is his primary tool for doing this, and that without the auto trader it would be very difficult for him to accomplish this. So, you know, in the past people have said things about blue wave trading. They've thrown us under the bus, and really I've always been honest about my software, what it is. It's a trading tool, and here's someone that's using it in the way it's intended to be used and showing the possibilities, and I'm really quite proud of it. So let's take a look at today's video, and once again, you know, I invite you to draw your own conclusions. In our videos, I try to be as transparent as possible. No hype, no sensationalism, no false promises. Let's take a look and see what happened today.
All right, October 10th. This is first thing in the morning. I am staying home today. I have a few templates going today, so this is one of them. This is a 7-tick range that will be filtered by ORB, the daily range, and by a higher time frame, which is 5 minutes. I am bullish for today, looking for long trades. Initial target around 77.13, but then from there much higher. And of course, my other one is the one you've been seeing, this one with a $500 stop and target, 2 contracts, 40 and 80 ticks. And did I show? Here's the computer clock. Getting ready, a couple of minutes out. Looking higher, as you can see, longs are clicked on this one. Might make a pullback first. That's the only thing that concerns me. I'm not sure if they have a need to test 76.60 first. They might have a need to come down to 76.60 before attempting 77.13 and higher. So we're going to see. Should be an interesting day. I am stepping up my game a little bit. Attended with my 2 boys the open college seminar in my area. Was shocked to find out how expensive college is, and I have a senior and a junior in high school, so I need to step up my game. I'm going to try and trade all 4 accounts. Opportunity allows. I'm going to try and trade all 4 accounts on daily basis. For the most part, as you've been seeing, I've been trading 1, 2, sometimes 3 accounts, but I need to step up my game. Really, this college thing is expensive, and these are all funded accounts. So with funded accounts, I only get to keep a percentage of the profits. And then, of course, Uncle Sam wants his cut. So at the end of all that, what seems to be a lot of money, it's really not. So we're about to open. If I sound a bit funny, it's because I'm actually am on a treadmill as I am talking to you, because they say sitting is the new smoking. So I try to be constantly on the move. So I am walking, and sometimes it gives me an issues with the headphones. So sometimes I actually take off the headphones and just put them down, and the audio is through the laptop. So I apologize for any audio issues. So might have to wait for a pullback. I'm not sure. I know they're gonna try and test 77.13 and higher, but I'm not sure at what point. So the other trader will help me. Nope, here's the long. Let's see if they'll go straight to 13. All right, racing toward first target. Okay, first target hit, going toward the second. All right, so we need to move higher to hit the daily target. That 13 area is important. It might fail here, so I'm going to be cautious here. If they fail at 13, they're going to come down all the way to 7,700. So, and it looks like 13 is giving them an issue. If I step out, I'm still going to be looking long. I'm going to try for that 13 again. If they can break through the 13, then they should get to 20, no problem. Again, I'm sure at some point they will. I'm just not sure if they first have to retest some lower numbers. Right now, they don't look like they want to retest the support, but just the way markets work, they should at some point test support just to make sure that that support holds. And then they're going to make new highs. But I'm hoping they can at least attempt higher so I can get filled on my daily target. And then move on to another account. Gonna try and trade all 4 accounts on daily basis as long as there is enough volatility. Come on, breakthrough 13. Yeah, can't do it yet. All right, out on the trail, but still looking to go long. Yeah, they failed at 13, so they're gonna move to 7,700. All over, yeah, see? Still will take a long. All right, here is another long. Just need 5 points to hit my daily targets, because this is 2 contracts. Come on. Boom, done. Positive slippage. Account 1, complete. Go BWT. I mean, really. Could you do this manually? I couldn't. No way. No way. All right, so quick computer clock and then switch over to another account. All right, give me a couple of minutes to switch over. Right, so switched over to another account. They're having an issue with that 13, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Now this is the same exact template. I just switched accounts, that's all I did. Same exact template. That 13 is presenting a problem. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I don't mind them breaking through 13 and then retesting it from the top, and then it will take a long. Or if they fail and need to retest some lower numbers, then at some point I'll be looking for another long with the right setup. All right, this is another template, another account, and another template. This one is slightly different. Same profit and target, just a different setup here. In this one, it is filtered by both the daily open range and higher time frame, which is 5 minutes. This is a 7-tick range. Had a quick trade before. I don't want to go back now. Still looking to go higher, so I'm still have the longs clicked. Here's the long, and hoping for another retest of 13. Maybe this time they can break through it. So a long was taken because not only the bars became blue, but we are above the open range, and the background is green, which means the 5 minute is bullish. This template is slightly different. Actually, I'm not sure if it is different. I think it's also 40 ticks. Yeah, also 40 tick first target. But if we get to 13, I actually will maybe trail by 50% because that 13 seems to be a problem. I do think they're gonna break through it, but they don't look too strong right now. Right, moving higher. Come on. Yeah, that 13 is a problem. I think actually, once we get to 13, maybe I'll just close the first position. I mean, target one is higher, around 18. Right, so I closed the first position here just to secure some profit. What did I do? Did I close both of them? Close both of them. All right, doesn't matter. I'm still on longs. I'm gonna have to look at this template. I'm not sure why both closed. I thought, let me see here. Yeah, I'm not sure why they both closed. All right. Now, here's the long, and it's just going. It's just going, and we're trailing, and it's going. Oh, yeah, just missed me there. It's all right, still staying long. Still gonna stay on longs. Now we're not done with the upside. No way. No way. Here is another attempt at a long. come on. Nice shot higher. There we go. We are trailing now. At least no downside. Come on, don't come all the way back. I did. All right, well, slow progress here. Missed the quick move up, was a bit nervous about that 13 area. No hindsight, of course, should have just stuck with it. But I was still afraid of them needing to test the 7660, which they apparently did not have to test, which is a bit unusual. If they still will not test it for the rest of today, it just shows a lot of strength. Here is another long. Now let's see if they can give me a nice shot higher. Here we go. Come on. There we go. Trailing again. Come on. Nice shot higher. There we go. Sorry, it was a bit loud. Look at this positive slippage. Now that is a hard move up. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. Account number 2. Let me switch over to number 3 and I'll be right back. All right, so account number 3 now, right around lunchtime, so things are slowing down. But looking to take a long after this nice retracement to the step MA. As long as the volatility stop remains above the step MA, if we have a bar close above the volatility stop, there will be a long trade. So right around lunchtime, and same exact template as earlier. Yeah, so having a much deeper retracement than I anticipated. So, another great example of the auto trader keeps me from taking a losing trade. There was no long confirmation here, and the auto trader did not take a long. So, as we are continue to retrace down, the auto trader is not going to take a long until price is above that step MA with a bullish precision trend. So let's see if this bar closes. I might have to pause the recording. All right, so I'm going to have to step away here. Kind of getting late in the day. Unfortunately, I missed this beautiful short. I just did not want a short side. I was just so bullish all day. So I missed out on this short all the way from here. No, the auto trader would have taken it. Beautiful short. But anyway, I'm going to have to step away. My longs are turned. So if we have a bar that closes above the step MA, there will be a long, which I think should work out. I would not be surprised if by the end of the day, we're still going to test those high at 77.80. Yeah, so just going to step away and leave this running. All right, so hit a target. Now retracing. Obviously, was stopped on the trail. Still have the longs turned on. We'll take another long, no hesitation. Here is the other long. Actually, now that I'm taking a closer look at it, because I stepped away, it looks like back here we hit first target, but then got stopped out on the second half, and then there was this long. So the other trader waited all this time, and I mean, just what an amazing piece of software to be able to do that. Just did not engage the long because conditions were not met, and just waited till here to hit the target, or at least step out on the trail. And now another long two. So we need to push toward 40 to hit the daily target. Since I only need $125 on two contracts, so that's like 3 points. So right before 40, I should be hitting the daily target, which I'm just positive will happen. Not sure what happened here. Maybe there was some kind of a tweet from Trump or something. But they recovered. And the other trader waited. I mean, once the second half of this trade took place, and while I'm talking here, I'm done again with positive slippage. So today's been a great day for positive slippage. So let me show you again. This is a live chart, and I mean a live account and a live chart. I still have some time left. I am running out of time. I will try to trade the fourth contract. I'm sorry, the fourth account. So give me a minute here. Right, so loaded the fourth account. Not too much time left for the day, like an hour and 45 minutes, but I am going to attempt and trade. All I need is a retracement back toward the step MA. If I get a retracement back towards step MA, maybe like 30, 29, 28, I would love to then click the longs and take a long trade. So I'm going to put this on pause. Hopefully this happens. Let's see if we can get filled. Here we are. All right, this is the fourth and final funded account. Final account for today. Let's see if they can push higher. Like I said, at this point, maybe a $500 target, trading just two contracts, is a bit wishful, but it is possible they're going to push higher toward the close. They want to go higher. Come on, guys. 46 and higher. Come on. So close. So close. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Don't retrace. Straight up. There we go. First target. All right. Now don't stop. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I'm going to bring up the stop to 50% in case they decide to play games with that 45 again. Here we go. Come on. Past 50. Come on, past 50. I really don't want them to fail here. I don't have enough time. Yeah, that 45 is a problem. All right. They're going to take me out here to 64. 45 minutes left. 45 minutes left to make $240 on 2 contracts. Should I leave it on? I will. I'm going to leave this on. Hopefully it'll give me a bit more of a retracement now and then hit that 45 again hard. I would hate to take a long right into the 46, but I'm running out of time, so I'll let this play out. All right, so sure enough, here's that long. Hopefully they're just gonna rally into the close now. I need 6 points. Unfortunately, they got me right to the tick. That is frustrating. Just frustrating. Right to the tick. All right, here's the move higher. Come on, I need, what do I need? I need like 52. I need around 52, 53. And there it is! There it is! Account number 4 is complete. I'm exhausted. This was a full day of work. I never traded 4 accounts in one day before. Here it is. Done. Beautiful, tremendous, lethal, unfair. I don't know what else to call it. But this was just perfect location. Took some heat, a lot of back and forth. But with the help of the auto trade, I was able to stay with it. Just, all right, guys, I'm going to get some rest, and I will see you guys tomorrow.